as a content creator, there are 3 tools that will help you maximize, grow your exposure with your content on YouTube. One is Vidiq Yt. The second one is Tubebuddy. And the third one is YouTube Tracker. These 3 tools will help you maximize and gain maximum exposure. Download these 3 apps in the App Store. Now inside Vidiq Yt, you can track your daily tasks, your progress. They also got recommended ideas and hashtags that are trending. That's what we're looking at right there. Then you can find your keyword and you can rank your videos on that specific keyword. You can see who's trending and so forth and so forth. So right now we're gonna rank this video to my best ability. So ESK8 is the main subject. It's an electric skateboard, and we're gonna rank it based on that. Electric skateboard, DIY, boom, 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 boom. We're gonna add that onto the description. And then you can also get title recommendations, and that's AI helping you give you a recommend title for the post. So when you look at the top, you can see the SEO score of 35. As you keep adding more keywords, it'll keep going up. See, now it's at 42. So we're gonna keep adding more and more related keywords to the topic so we can get the highest score. The highest score that I have gotten out so far was a score of 70, like 73, as far as the search engine optimization ranking. But it's all work in progress here, guys. You know, as you start playing with the app, you start learning more and more. Every day you keep growing. And, you know, this is how we do things around here at Rozzy Grows. So now we got a search engine optimization score of 50. And that's pretty much done right here. And if you look at the checklist, it'll tell you the checkpoints where you got to do to improve and make your search engine even better. This is the second app. This is Tubebuddy. And over here, you can keep track of your comments and you can reply back to your comments. You can also use this app to search engine optimize your page. But I like it because I can keep track of my goals, and it's pretty neat how you can just keep everything in track. They got a paid version for it too, but that lets you do a little bit more. And then this is the last app. This is the YouTube Tracker. So over here you can keep track of your subscribers, your watch hours, your YouTube shorts, how many subscribers you gain through the day or through the weeks. You could add templates, thumbnails, all kind of little things. You can also even look up secret spy tags and keywords, articles where you can, you know, read stuff up and improve. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So stay tuned. Like, if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like and subscribe for